Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can print an Excel sheet as a full A4 page step-by-step. First, open Microsoft Excel. Here, I have a sample mark sheet that I want to print on an A4 size page. To begin, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. A menu will open on the left side. From this menu, click on Print. The Print Settings window will now appear, where you can preview how your document will look when printed. First, click on Orientation and select Portrait Orientation if your document is best suited for a vertical layout. If your sheet is wider, you can choose Landscape Orientation instead. Next, click on the Paper Size option and select A4 from the list. After that, review the margin settings. Click on Margins and choose the margins that best fit your document. You can use normal, narrow, or custom margins depending on your requirements. Now, check the print preview on the right side of the screen to make sure your entire sheet fits properly on the page. If everything looks good, click on the Print button at the top. Instead of printing directly, select Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF as your printer option. Choose a location where you want to save the file, enter a file name, and then click Save. Your Excel sheet will now be saved as a PDF in A4 page format, ready for printing or sharing. And that's it. This is how you can print an Excel sheet as a full A4 page and save it as a PDF. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.